Customize almost any item on the spot using Cubiio, most compact laser engraver. Connect your smartphone to Cubiio application. You can either sketch your design in the application or just choose your design in microSD card. Set your easy settings. Then enter your 6-digit safety code. Cubiio is a portable laser engraver that can engrave on multiple surfaces at the push of a button. This little device that makes at-home laser printing quick, easy, and safe. Enjoy customizing your wooden cutlery with Cubiio, most compact laser engraver. For more information and more informative videos like this, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.